Sukma. I'm an English teacher. Here I'd like to share you my views as a participant in joining the 3 days workshop which was hosted by SRMIST and organized by TIEUPS International. But first, I'd like to say thank you so much because of inviting me to join this kind of wonderful workshop program. The themes of this workshop was about the virtual learning environment. Here, I can get many wonderful things such as education, knowledge, information. The workshop itself was presented by 3 wonderful people who are the master of their field in education, and they're also presenting the 3 wonderful material. The first material in day 1, it was presented by Dr. Albert. He presented about the using of the Google Classroom. Here, if I can say that IT and education cannot be separated. Why? Because I think that IT has an important role and support in the education improvement. If we can say about the using of the Google Classroom, I asked some of the teachers whether they are using the Google Classroom or not in their learning process. They will answer me by yes, of course, I'm using the Google Classroom to support my class. And that's happened to me too, and my friends at my school. We all use the Google Classroom and other applications to support it. For example, we use the Google Meet, the Zoom meeting, the quizzes, Google Form, Kahoot, Edmodo, and the other applications. In day 2, it was presented by Dr. Kishore. He presented the material really well, and I'm happy to get this kind of material. He presented about psychology, what is the connection between the psychology and the education. At first, I don't really think the psychology is really important in the learning process. But when I listened to his explanation about it, I really sure that now I, as a teacher, need to know the psychology of my students when I do the learning process. Because he stressed here how important to know the psychology of the students when we do the teaching in the classroom. In day 3, it was presented by Professor Chelemari. Here, she presented about the evaluation, the assessment, what is the difference between the evaluation and assessment, how important to do it in the learning process. And she also explained more about the using of many theories here in supporting to do the evaluation and assessment. One of the theories there mentioned the using of the taxonomy Bloom theory. I'm really happy in getting this kind of information because I add more knowledge about the using of the taxonomy Bloom theory in doing the assessment and the evaluation. And the 4th things here that I can get from joining this workshop program is Mr. Ravi sharing the video of the India education system, and when I watch it, I really surprised, and I could say wow, because many noblemen come from India. Maybe it is because of the India education system. I really hope that someday the noblemen will come from the young generation of Indonesia. And last but not least, thanks because of inviting me to join this program. I do hope that this kind of program or maybe many other kind of program which has relation with education to support the improvement of the education can be organized more continuously by the TIEUPS International, and I do hope it can be joined by many more teachers in Indonesia, especially from Bali. Thank you so much.